Welcome. So I am traveling for work today, and I am in Colorado Springs, and I am going to go do a bucket list item for me. Now, it's not in the car that I'd like to be in. I mean, it's in a rental car, but I'm going to go drive Pikes Peak. I know a lot of people go there, a lot of people visit that mountain, and it's really not that big of a deal. I don't know, maybe I haven't been there before. I've raced this circuit in video games since I was a little, since I remember. Like, this was one of the racing, like, hill climb things that I want to go to Pikes Peak. I want to go to Pikes Peak. I want to go to Pikes Peak. You know, at the very least, be able to see it. Being able to come up here and drive it, I'm getting pretty excited. So I'll be there in, I don't know, probably about 5 minutes or so, and see what it's like. Get some views. Check it out.
At the traffic lights, turn left onto Fountain Avenue, then...
We're climbing already. We haven't even gotten to the entrance. This is pretty cool. Should be pulling up to the entrance gate here in a second. There it is. Gotta stop and pay a fee here. We're in line to get tickets, or to get access, because you have to go through this gate thing. It costs $15 to get in. They're saying on the website, it says that it takes around 2 hours to get to the summit and back. I'm not sure. I think it's around 20 miles of driving. Judging by the line of people and the line of cars, I'm pretty sure that it's going to be mostly traffic that I have to deal with, and I'm not going to speed because that's illegal when, you know, you're not in a race car game. But there is a C8 Vet 2 cars ahead of me, and I'm driving a rental Malibu, so we'll see what it's like. Maybe I can pass them. No, not going to even try. All right, here we go. 25 miles an hour. There's a sign back there that says no drones. That's really disappointing because it would probably look awesome to send a drone up. But no fireworks. Man, they just are taking all the fun out of everything. Yeah, as I anticipated, the amount of time it takes to do this trip is not going to be dictated by the distance. It's going to be dictated by the speed of the people in front of you. Boy, but look at that view. Look at the views. Just past the sign that said 8,000 feet. I just paid $15 to drive on this road, and it's touristy, but I don't care. I'm doing it in a rental car. I wish I had my Jeep out here. Well, I'm not sure my Jeep would go up this thing. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So I just passed a sign that said I'm 1 mile below summit. And I'm like, that can't be right. So I look at the GPS, and Geyer doesn't want to load on Apple Maps, on Apple CarPlay for some reason. But I look at the GPS, I'm at 8,500 feet. 1 mile vertically below summit. That means I've got to climb 5,280 feet that way. So that's exciting. The peak is 14,100 feet, and they have a coffee and donut shop up there. So it's definitely touristy, but man, it would be so much fun to rip this as fast as you possibly could. Now I understand why people want to do it. I understand, I get it. I've always kind of gotten it, but I get it. Looking at the map, right over here there should be some water. Some kind of a reservoir or something. I don't see it. We're just about cresting 9,000 feet. Yeah, it should be on my left over there. Water, probably over there somewhere. Oh, okay, so there's a dam, and it looks like the reservoir is drained. So let's see if we can get a good look at that up here. Must be doing construction or slope recreation here. It's like we're back in PA. Got the flagger ahead and everything. Oh, it's a electronic flagger. Started with automated teller machines, and it was automated checkout places, and now we got automated flaggers. I'm not upset. I used to do that job and I didn't like it. All right. So they're working on the dam. I'm not sure where the time trials start and end. If it's back there at the gate, I don't think it is. It's probably just a summit run. But the record on the summit is 7 minutes and 57 seconds. It's set in all electric Volkswagen, according to Google, which is pretty impressive. I do need to look to see, once I'm done here, I need to look to see which segment of this whole trek, because it is like 20 some miles, I guess. I would guess it's the whole segment, probably starting back there at the entrance, but I don't know. I gotta look into that to see where the official start and stop is for the time trials. But this is I'm still climbing, and we're over 10,000 feet now, and I'm still stuck behind these going very slow. Switch back now. There was a car going the other way. The driver had a big smile on his face. The passenger was leaning over the driver's seat. That looks suspicious. Very suspicious. Oh, it's getting serious now. It's getting real serious. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, there was a Toyota back there, pulled over, and a Toyota pickup truck, and I smell brakes. I smell bad brakes. That truck smells like it was riding the brakes the whole way down. Didn't get the memo to downshift. Well, here's a turn. Here's a turn. This guy's slowing way down because he is nervous. That is a turn and a half right there. Woo-wee! Right on the edge. All right, look out for wandering stick figures. Feet. I just saw a car drive across that ridge. There's a cliff right there. So our ultra slow touristy person that's attenuating our trip now is caught up to a dump truck. Yeah, that's a dump truck. That's a dump truck going up Pikes Peak. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is the cliff right there. That is the cliff. That goes right off the edge. There's like 4 inches. There's a guardrail there. The car in front of me is legit freaking out right now. We're doing like 5 miles an hour. And I can't see why, because, I mean, it's not like we're 14,000 feet in the air or anything. Is right there. But that dump truck is gone. Gone, baby, gone. That dump truck is gone. He's up there. He's dropping his load off. Woo-wee. Oh, there's a couple more cars. The altitude is definitely getting to me now. I am breathing different. I am feeling different. I am tired. This is, I don't know. I don't think it's altitude sickness. I hope I don't get that, but it's entirely possible. Oh man, look at those views. And this guy has collected, I don't know, a dozen cars now, I think. I don't know. It's a lot of cars behind us now. Oh yeah. Pikes Peak Summit. Yeah, we're getting close. We are getting close. We have a whole line of traffic behind us. There it is, up there. Yeah, we are approaching the top, and this dude is legit freaking out. Freaking out. He's hitting his brakes and stuff, going uphill. Oh, man. Look at that view. There's a train up here. That person in that car should have taken the train. Seriously. I highly doubt you can hear me. I'll record from the car. Found a spot with less wind. Hour plus ride. Totally worth it. What an amazing view. I'm so glad I got to come do this.
Pikes Peak became host to an annual ascent and marathon on the bar trail. Pikes Peak remains rugged and majestic. Truly America's mountain.
You're in kindergarten. Kindergarten boy doesn't play too much.
Warm enough for top of a mountain. I would love to stay up here for a long time, but it's cold. I didn't pack clothes for climbing a mountain. Should have known to, but I didn't. Whew. But I gotta get to the airport anyway. My flight is in a couple hours, and I gotta get this rental car back. Oh man. Oh, this is beautiful. I gotta come back. I gotta bring my family. This is, I really do, like, I don't know, it's, yeah. Man, that view, oh man, that is the view. Okay. Go loop-de-loo.
For 19 miles, continue straight on.
Do a little bit of recording on the way down because I'm not right up against the Alright, so there's an idea of how close that drop is. These people are racing up this thing. Ooh, doggy. Adrenaline rush. That guy's ripping. He knows what's up. Yo, he's booking. And if you're asking why I'm going slow on the way down, because it's a hill climb, not a hill descent. This little thing of water there. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you again soon.